In this video, we are going to show you how to become an Epidemic Sound ambassador. So, let's dive into the tutorial right in. And I'm going to share a secret tip in the video too, so stay around. First, we have to go to a special page on EpidemicSound's webpage in order to become an ambassador. Without going to that page, you can't become an ambassador. So first, log in to your EpidemicSound account. I believe you already have an account at this point. If not, just make one. It doesn't take more than just 2 minutes. Once you are in the EpidemicSound Discovery dashboard, focus on the top right corner of the screen where you see a collapsible hamburger icon. From here, go to the community. Now, you are on the page that you want to. You cannot become an EpidemicSound ambassador right away. You have to convince 12 people to subscribe to EpidemicSound subscription through your unique referral link. At this point, this is my unique referral link. All you have to do is copy your referral link and share it across your social media accounts. For example, I'm mainly active on YouTube, so I share my EpidemicSound reference link via my video description, or at the end of the video as an end screen element just like this. But you can share it wherever you want. Once they click on the link, they come across to this page, where they can subscribe to a subscription plan. If we hop onto the same EpidemicSound community page, you can see how many people have clicked on your referral link over the last 30 days. In my case, 141 people have clicked on my link. Although I have 141 clicks, it doesn't mean that I have gained 141 EpidemicSound subscribers through my link. It is just the people who clicked on the link to see and check out the platform. The person who clicked on your link must also subscribe to one of the EpidemicSound subscription plans to become eligible, so they can get a 7-day free trial for their subscription too. The real gold is here. Can you see the blue box over here? Yes, this one. That blue box. One blue box means one active subscriber you have gained. The great news is you can get an entire month free when you bring one active subscriber through your referral link. One active subscriber equals $17.99 in EpidemicSound credits. Here you can see how many credits you have left to use. Let's say you have $17.99 in credits. Your upcoming monthly subscription bill is also $17.99. So, the upcoming bill uses your remaining credits for billing without charging your card. Basically a free month. I have $9 in credits left, as I am already enjoying only $8.99 for my monthly subscription, even less than a yearly plan. Check out our next video to see how you can enjoy EpidemicSound for only $8.99. The link is also in the description. That's the secret tip. Okay. Now let's say you have gained 12 subscribers through your referral link. Then this button should be alive saying level up. Then after this point, you are officially an EpidemicSound's ambassador. You can use EpidemicSound for completely free. No need to pay a single penny. On top of that, you get a clean 50-50 revenue split on every single subscriber you bring into the site. I want to show you a quick math. Now, if you bring 100 people to EpidemicSound, it's going to be $900 per month. If you bring 1,000 of them, it's going to be $9,000 per month, and you are going to earn that revenue split for an entire year from each subscriber. Also, you can get EpidemicSound brand collabs and sponsorship and earn money from that too. I hope you get a clear understanding of how to become an EpidemicSound's ambassador. That wraps up this video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, explore MediaMagnetGuide.com for a treasure trove of tutorials and resources covering various subjects.